Excellence Shelters Private Limited, one of the most trusted real estate concerns in India. Adjudged the most promising developer by Brand Academy Awards in 2014 and 15, the only one to receive a 5-star CRISIL rating for all ongoing projects. A name synonymous with land, ESPL has made its mark with several distinguished projects in and around Pune, Mumbai and Solapur. These projects are designed to provide affordable luxury housing. Excellence has a major presence in the emerging city's budding real estate scene, with many successful projects so far. These projects have undergone astronomical growth as much as 400 to 600% in some cases. So, what makes Excellence and Solapur an amazing investment combination? Let's start with an introduction. Solapur is one of the most rapidly developing districts in Maharashtra. Besides being the 4th largest in terms of land area, Solapur city is one of the first 20 smart cities to be developed by the Government of India, thus raising its potential as a preferred living destination. Vitally placed on the Pune-Hyderabad-Bangalore IT triangle, Solapur received yet another boost due to the expansion of NH65 from 2 lanes to 4, shortening the travel times to Pune and Hyderabad. The Borramani International Cargo Airport is further going to put Solapur on the global business map. Easily accessible from NH65, the proposed airport is being developed under a public-private partnership model and has been sanctioned by the Airports Authority of India and the Ministry of Defence. With well-planned infrastructure, Solapur's employment generation potential is set for a big boost, with the state government setting up a 5-star MIDC spread over 1,500 acres. Some of the biggest names from across various industries have shown interest in this MIDC. While keeping pace with the times, Solapur is deeply rooted in spirituality. Temples like Shri Siddheshwara, Akkalkot, Pandharpur, Tulzapur and Gangapur attract lakhs of pilgrims every year. Excellence Shelters Private Limited is the first pan-Maharashtra developer to seize the opportunity that Solapur presents. With 11 completed projects in Solapur, Excellence now has yet another offering for the city, presenting Zen Garden, a gated community featuring non-agricultural plots spread over 22 acres. Zen Garden is themed around the Zen philosophy of living each moment of the present to its maximum potential, cherishing it while being at peace with the passage of time. A premier plotting project 1.4 kilometers off NH65, Zen Garden is meant to be a serene spiritual retreat that helps you cleanse yourself of all the negativity and stress of daily life. The amenity area is built around a landscaped garden, which makes for a relaxing spot where one can find just the right environment for meditation or some quiet rumination. The gazebo within the landscaped garden gives you a unique vantage point from where to observe your tranquil surroundings. The restaurant, with its oriental architecture and ambience, serves nutritional and delicious cuisine that will have you coming back for more. Should you opt to stay indoors, you'll still have a lot to keep you busy, with the clubhouse offering a number of indoor activities. Zen Garden is a well-planned gated community with well-built roads and properly planned utilities. An environment-friendly project set amidst green surroundings and with an oriental architecture theme, Zen Garden is a picturesque setting for your dream home. Located within the proximity of several vital installations, Zen Garden guarantees tremendous growth on your real estate investment. A paradise for those seeking a home amidst serene, tranquil settings, and an excellent opportunity for investors as well. Zen Garden at Solapur is yet another quality project from Excellence Shelters Private Limited.